welcome to Fulton Fresh Kitchen Science. I'm Deborah.
And I'm Lazavia, and today we have an awesome recipe today for you called citrus fruit salad.
Lazavia, what is in this salad today?
Great question, Deborah. So today we've used several different fruits. We have kiwi, blueberries, pears, mandarin oranges, 1 cup, half grapes, and optional pomegranates.
Okay.
And also for our dressing, we have orange juice, honey, and cinnamon.
Wonderful. That sounds good. You ready to get started?
Sure.
Okay, let's go with it.
First step is going to put all the fruits in our bowl.
Okay.
Now, Deborah, we use several things here, but what would you use in your fruit salad?
I would definitely add some strawberries, some watermelon. That's probably it.
Yeah, those are good things.
What about you?
I would definitely use those things as well. What I was going to say is that we want to make sure that we eat a colorful plate, because the more colorful, the more nutritious.
Good. All right, so guys, now I'm going to make the dressing, and I'm going to start with a tablespoon of orange juice. And I'm not going to pour over the bowl because I don't want more to go in than what's supposed to.
And I was also going to say one thing too, Deborah, really quick about the pears. With the pears, you want to make sure that they don't brown. You can use any type of citrus juice, so lemon juice, pineapple juice, or orange juice.
Oh, very good. Yep, just pour that over your apples or your pears, and they won't turn color at all. Okay, so I'm going to use this spoon to help dig out all the honey. Get as much honey into your bowl as possible. All right, that's good enough. Now I'm going to use a pinch of cinnamon.
It smells good already.
Yay, love it. All right, so I'm going to whisk this all together. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm going to tip this down just a little. I'm sorry, but please.
No, I was just going to say that this is also a really good recipe for summertime because it's so refreshing and colorful.
Oh, yes, yes. All right, so guys, I'm going to take my time here, just kind of go around the bowl. I guess if you want more, you can double the recipe if you want more, but you don't really need more. All right, so I'm going to stir this up together. Now, if you want it to be chilled, set it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes so that all your juices can come together, or you can dig in right away. Depending on how hungry you are.
It looks so good, Deborah.
I can eat this whole bowl. I don't know about you, but.
Now, Deborah, tell me what 1 serving size is.
Okay, so 1 serving size, I'm going to use 1 cup. I'm going to put all the different fruit in this 1 cup. I'm sure I get some.
I could eat this whole bowl.
Not before me. All right, guys, so this is your 1 cup. And we're going to pour into a bowl. And look at this.
Great.
Looks great, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today for Fulton Fresh Kitchen Science. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.